Hello everyone, I am Guru Prasad Das and you are watching my YouTube channel Guru Prasad Das. In this video, you can enjoy the beauty of the Chilika Lake and the sight of the Maa Kalijai temple from the far distance of the Chilika Lake. So it is time to enjoy my videos and let's start the videos. So finally Maa Kalijai temple has come. You can watch, and in my next video I will definitely upload the full environment of the Maa Kalijai temple. You can enjoy the beauty of the environment of the Maa Kalijai temple. So I hope you must enjoy this video, and if you like this video please hit the like button and please don't forget to put a wonderful comments. So I request you, please like, comment and share, and definitely subscribe my YouTube channel Guru Prasad Das. In my next video I will definitely upload the full environment of the Maa Kalijai temple. So waiting for the my next videos. So now it is time to play the outro.